Hey guys, so I just got my AGM TS25-256 thermal scope. So let's go ahead and open it up and check it out. All right, so we have a magnet lift box and inside is a nice pouch. So here's the carrying case that comes with the scope. It's got D-rings on each side, belt loops stitched on the back here, and solid bottom. So it's got kind of like a cardboard reinforced carrying case. So nice rigid carrying case, double zipper for the top. So we've got some instructions. So these are the instructions for the ADM QD Autolock System. So this is the special mount system for mounting it to a rifle. So we'll check that out. Then we've got quality control confirmation, customer service card, and a white lens cleaning cloth. Looks like a couple screws in there too. That's probably for the mount. All right, so we have a Velcro retaining strap here with a padded enclosure. So this is what's retaining the scope inside of the carrying case. So here's the scope itself. I'll do a review of the scope itself in a separate video. Looks like it's got a rigid hinged cover for the front, which is great. And a nice collapsible eyepiece there. So let's see what else we have in here. Got a padded strap for the carrying case. Looks like it's adjustable with some spring-loaded clips. So that'll clip right onto the carrying case like that. This must be the mount. So this is the ADM QD Autolock System. So we'll dive into this in another video. So I think this allows you to quickly remove the scope from your rifle and then reattach it quick. It's like a quick disconnect mounting system, which I really love because you can use the scope handheld just as like a spotting thermal scope, or you can use it as a weapon sight. All right, then we've got the instructions manual here. This is the TS25 version. I guess they share a lot of commonalities with the TS19. And then it looks like we have some more stuff under this flap. Oh, cool. So we have a custom cut foam here, 2 batteries. So these are CR123A 3-volt batteries. I love that you can replace the batteries in this, so you're not screwed if the batteries ever fail on you. And they're not proprietary. You can pick these up really easily. And we've got a USB-C cable. It's awesome because it looks like we have a couple additional kind of pockets for various things as well. So that's really cool. All right, so let's check out the scope. So this is the battery compartment here. So this is like a metal door that's hinged up at the top. So we'll pop the included batteries in here. Oh, and this has got a very strong spring on it. So this is done intentionally, I'm sure, to withstand heavy recoil. So that's really, really good to see. So yeah, this door has quite a bit of thread to tighten this down. All right, guys, so that's a first look at the TS25-256. I'm going to do a full review of this in a later video. But in the meantime, if you'd like to pick one of these up, you can check out the links in the description below. All right, that's going to do it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.